Ashley here and welcome back to Dress to Jet. Today I'm starting what will be a series, an unboxing series. I didn't include this in my what I got for Christmas video because it's going to be its own thing, so I didn't include this, but it is part of what I got for Christmas. So in my gift giving ideas for vintage person in your life video that I did, I can link that above and below. I suggested the Redbird Vintage Box because I felt like it was a really cool idea. I've watched unboxings from other vintage YouTubers and I think it's a really cool idea. And so finally I did it. Finally I signed up for my own box. So by the time Christmas came around, I had 2 boxes. I opened them on Christmas. So there'll be 2 videos coming where I show you what I got in those 2 boxes. Those 2 have already been opened. After that, I will be opening them on camera. So the first 2, I already know what's in these boxes, and after that, it will be a surprise for you and me. I'll be getting real reactions after that, so that'll be fun once I'm opening them on camera. But for Christmas Day, I opened them when I had them under the tree. So we'll start with this one. I have seen what I've got in here, but it'll be fun to show you guys. So yeah, let's open it up. And I've kept it as close to when I opened it as possible. Oh, and just a note, I know sometimes they do like sponsored videos or they send a free box. That is not the case here. I am a 100% paying customer. I pay the full price. I don't get any deals for anything. I just was like really wanted to like get some more true vintage jewelry, and I thought this was a really good way, and of course I'm going to share it. So this is in no way an ad, or I'm not sponsored. I didn't get this for free. None of that. So yeah, so just a fan. Yeah, so they've always like package everything so pretty. So there's it tied, and they always like tie the bow with some little trinket that doesn't really count towards whatever number of items you're supposed to get. So I think this was maybe a miscellaneous earring, but you could use it as a you could use it on a bunch of stuff. But I think it was just a one earring of a pair that got separated or whatever. But they just put that on there. And that's cute, just a little extra thing. So you untie. Yeah, and you get a little card saying, which box you got. I got the Lauren box, so you'll receive 6 items total. Oh, it just says which box you got, what you will get. Yeah, I got the Marie accessory box, so you'll have 4 items total, all accessories. And then the Lauren box is the higher one. Yeah, and it says there's this little personal note on the back, which is really nice, welcoming me to Redbird. So that was very nice. It's handwritten. Yeah, so let me open this up a little more. So the first thing I see right away is that there's a scarf. So excited about. So this is the scarf. It's not a square. It's a really long rectangle. And it has a beautiful peach and red pattern, like squares. And I love that it's a longer one because I feel like these are much easier to wear than the square ones, depending. So this is a nice vintage scarf, and I think it's so beautiful. And I'm really happy. I was really happy with that right off the bat. So other than that, you always get this nice little bag that I put all the other items in. So let's see. And I think in this one, yeah, they said because it was my first box, I put a few extra items in. So that was really nice because they definitely don't have to do that. Okay. So I love Beauty and the Beast, and I like a fan of the opera, Beauty and the Beast, and all these things are like usually have roses in common in the storyline. So I was really excited to see this gold rose pin. It is a really big size. Like, it's really cool. And yeah, it's just this really cool pin you can wear. I don't really have a lot of pins. I mean, I have pins, but I don't have any vintage pins. Or I have pins that, you can buy at Hot Topic or whatever. Not this kind of thing. So I was really happy with that. And they do ask you if you, are clip-on earrings okay? Do you have pierced ears? They ask you all these questions. And I was like, well, I could wear clip-on earrings too. So yeah, so I got a pair of clip-on earrings, which are this blue, like aquamarine and diamond, and they kind of climb up your ear. So I'll give you a close-up of these, but very cool, different. Yeah, and I haven't really worn clip-ons, but I mean, I have an earlobe, so it'll work. But yeah, I like how they are long, they climb up the ear. I think that's a really cool little touch there. Okay, and then the other pair of earrings I got, which are much more simple, are these little pearl earrings. I don't know if they're real or fake, but they're like the screw back. They're like the screw back earring. So you just, you know, tighten it like that. So it's not a pierced ear. It's not a, whatever that other one was. But it's like a screw back. So you just tighten it like that. And it's just a simple pearl. So a nice simple piece there too. Okay, and then I got two necklaces. So this first one is definitely a more standout piece. If I can get it untangled here. Oop. Okay, and it's actually like, does it match? No, it doesn't. Okay, these are definitely more teal. I thought they matched those earrings, but no, which is fine. They're kind of all twisted up. Let's see. Anyway, you'll get the idea. I'll straighten it out and give you a better image of it. But yeah, it's these different teal or like seafoam green shades, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different strands of beads, and then it has a nice clip in the back. So that's really pretty. I love the color, and something I probably wouldn't have picked out for myself, but I really like it. So very happy with that piece. And then the last one, which would go good with the simple pearl earrings I got, is this pearl necklace. Again, I don't know if it's real pearls or not. But they also have an option on the survey asking you if you would like reproduction pieces as well, as an option. And I said no, because I have a lot of reproduction pieces, and this was, I kind of wanted just true vintage stuff. So all this is actually vintage, none of it is reproduction, but that is an option if you feel like you want those, because I wanted to build out my true vintage collection. So I wasn't really into reproduction at this time. But yeah, so this is very small beads, 2 strings, and they just have these like gold clasps throughout the bottom. Yeah, so it's a little kind of more dainty pearl necklace, but with some jazz to it, some pizzazz to it. So that was really cute and light, which I like. And that's what I got in my first box. So yeah, I was really excited with my first box, and I will be doing every box, like I said. This one and the next one, I do know what was inside, but after that, it will be a surprise to everybody, to all of us at the same time. So that'll be really fun. I'm excited to get my next box and open it on camera. So yeah, that's it for now. That is my first Redbird Vintage Box unboxing. So thanks for watching. If you'd like to subscribe, you can click the subscribe button that's been here on the bottom throughout the whole video. And yeah, I hope you all are doing well and hanging in there. So thanks for watching. Bye.